Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our integrated service center, Pro 5 Advanced Motors. Our center is multi-services for all kind of vehicles, from bumper to bumper. We do all kind of services, repairs, painting, changing color, and rubber paint, which is what they call it, the removable paint. These vehicles, like this car, we have done amazing job with color change painting. And we renew the chassis after the rest with sandblast, with all other stuff required. By the way, you can't use the sandblast for all kind of vehicles. You have to check very well, is this car really require and can stand in front of the high pressure of sandblast. So don't take advantage, might generate a loss for you. Welcome with us.